Okay, wrapping up Santa Ysabel Nature Center Loop Trail. This is really the east side. For those that have been following the channel, I do have Santa Ysabel West Preserve, a very underrated hike here in San Diego. It's challenging. Those hills over there are pretty tough. All right, let's jump into the details and then I'll give you guys some of the tips and recommendations I have for this trail. So Santa Ysabel Nature Center Loop Trail is about 4 miles, a little under 700 feet elevation gain, and it is a loop. Getting here is very simple. It's off the 79, you'll turn. There's a nature center, bathrooms, parking lots. There's a lot of stuff. You'll recognize it right away. Okay, let's get into those details. Get here, again, you'll see the nature center. Now, clockwise versus counterclockwise really depends on you. I wanted to get the elevation done right away. So I did this counterclockwise. You guys will see here on the map. You kind of go through that. It is gradual, so you don't feel it too bad. Actually, the most I felt was going downhill here. My quads started to really kind of fire up just from the braking. So poles is something you could consider bringing on this hike. Now, if you decide to go clockwise, what you'll do is you'll walk parallel to the 79 first. And the thing you have to note about this piece is that it's very high grass. There's also a lot of cow poop that I saw, so just be careful with your animals, keep them leashed. I kept loosely leashed this entire hike for that reason. With the high grass, you make sure you do some tick checks on the way out, right? Be careful with snakes, check for ticks. That's always the must when there's really high grass like this. So besides wanting to do the elevation piece first or last, and then knowing about the high grass, other than that, this is just a beautiful hike. There's a pond at the very, very top right now. We passed by a creek, lots of little animal sounds, lots of these beautiful looking trees right back here. It's just, honestly, I'm surprised that I haven't done this before. This is such a gorgeous hike. The last thing that I'll leave you guys with outside of this trail is make sure you stop by Dudley's here on the way out. Bakery, awesome place, really, really good food and obviously baked goods. Aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed the trail guide. Stick around for next week.